Today I'm planting some yam heads, digging a yam hill to show you how it's done. And it will be ready within the next 8 months, 8 to 9 months. So it's up to you to do what you can to support yourself, plant your own food. You don't have to buy everything.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So Papa G, tell us what you're doing now.
Right, hello.
I'm cutting all off the dead veins off the head, cleaning them up.
Show me one with the dead veins. Ah, I see.
Like all these.
Yeah. And the
Just
live
cut
ones
them
are the
out.
green ones.
Oh, this is the one that, the vein that bear with it last year. So this is the vine now that is going to grow and bear this year.
Okay. So Papa G, you bought the yams and you placed them under the yam head. Sorry. Went all the way. Where you go, Papa G?
Trelawny.
Papa G went all the way to Trelawny, got some yam heads, and you placed them under this. Why you place them under this?
So they start to grow. If you leave them out in the sun will burn them up.
Oh, you can't use them.
They won't grow, they'll rot.
Oh.
So you place them at a cool place.
Okay. Okay. To give them the environment to be able to grow.
Yeah.
Until you are ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
So some of them are ready now, see it?
Yes. This is what he has done so far. So I am
They're
going to
sprouting. So it's best to plant them like this. So they grow out of the earth.
Oh.
This is still good, but it's best to plant them when they
Just start sprouting.
Yeah. These.
So I'm off today and I asked Papa G what he's doing. And he said he didn't know yet. And then he called me and said he's going to plant some yam heads. I've been wanting to catch him planting the yams. So we're going to do that today. And Papa G will, you know, instruct us along the way what he is doing. Sky and I are here to learn as well, along with you. All right? So we're going to let Papa G continue to do that. And when he's ready to put them in the ground. What happened to that? Rotten?
Yes, you're going to lose fear them.
So how that rotten so? But you still can plant it? So how that rotten so?
Sometimes it get juke and it just start to rot.
You hear me? Like something just stick it?
Like when they're digging the yam, they mash it or something, juke it. Or maybe they leave it in the sun and sun burn it.
So the integrity of it has been lost?
Yeah. Some of the strength is gone. It's not as big as it was.
But you still can plant it, say?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to let Papa G continue to do this. And then when you're ready to...
Put it in the ground.
Right, then we'll come back.
To him.
Say that again?
When he's gonna put it in the ground to plant,
He'll call us.
he'll call us to be ready.
Okay.
We'll just make sure we come on time.
So how about how much yams you have under there, Papa G? I know you're not going to plant anything, but about how much you have under there?
100.
No, it's 300 weight about.
300 yam heads. Alright. So Papa G says he's not ready yet. He's just carrying the heads of yam. Yeah. It's okay. You're going to come back. So he brought them here. He has prepared the place down this side. Let's say Papa G. Oh, see, Papa G planted. This is the yellow heart?
I don't know this one.
Oh, you don't know about this one. So you did some, dug some yam hills this side. And you just place it, you're just placing them where you want them to be. All right. And we'll come back for the fun. Oh, so you planted 4 yam hills already? Yeah. So you already planted these right here under the moringa tree.
This breadfruit tree is about 4 months since I planted it.
What? Are you growing like that, man? Mercy.
August, September, October, November, December. 5 months. Yeah.
And it's doing well.
And it was very tiny when I get it. This is the stick that I use to protect it from foot stepping on it.
Right, somebody comes and they know. But because it was so small, you never want nobody mistake it
The
for.
Miss Munson come and see it now, she never believe it.
I forgot Kara make she sees yes. Next time she come here, make she see it. So this is what he's doing. These are the yam hills. Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Enough him do the day.
So everything preparation is needed. Funny enough, today's preparation day. And see, Papa G has had the yam hills digged and sorted out already. So he can easily just no plant. Well, not easily. Let me not say that because I don't know. I don't know what it takes. So as you see, he keeps on partitioning. So he went for some more yam heads. And he's partitioning them to say what he's going to put where, to grow where. What kind of yam is this, Papa G?
Yellow yam.
Just yellow yam? What?
Black whisk.
What?
Black whisk.
Black whisk. Okay. Gonna start down there?
Yep.
So you have to tell us what you're doing when you're doing it. Right, my people? Oh. That's all? And you cover it now? Well, the hard work is done. You've done the hard work already.
Exactly.
So why don't you put this part up? I see you put it down.
Because the yam go down, the yam doesn't go up.
And it will just eventually send up its the little green stem.
Yeah.
Oh, because these are the roots, not true?
That's the vine.
That's the vine, so the vine comes up.
Yeah.
So why not put it up? You put it down a while ago, that's what I'm asking you.
As I said, the yam, it will find its way up.
Oh.
But the yam goes
down.
Yeah.
You do it so fast. Alright, let's come in again for the next one.
You notice it vine growing up?
Anyway, you take it. Yeah.
The man are digging, see that?
What do you mean in a dig?
It's like a deeper. See that? In my shade book.
So what you gonna do?
I just dry them up in there.
God have mercy. That's the issue. Sometimes you can't do everything yourself and you get somebody else to do it and it's not done to your liking.
Oh, them dig yam hill and I say yam hill dig.
Oh, it's supposed to dig deep.
It's supposed to, after you dig, make a first fork broke, take out that, and you make a next one down in the bottom.
Which would give it. So they just do one time.
Yeah. That's why I'm have to draw up all them dirt, yes.
But what you'd have dug it out and you'd have had enough dirt from inside.
Exactly. And when then now, you have to go fix yesterday's water, go sickle up all both it.
Papa G is not pleased at all. But you can't do everything, Papa G. You're almost 70. So what you have to do is just supervise them when they're doing it, not true?
Hey, you can't do it 24/7. You better me sit down and do it.
If you're going to, because you could have done something else in the meantime.
Exactly.
So why are you covering it over with that?
Keep the soil cool.
Oh. Like mulching.
Yeah, it's a mulching. Although this one just planted.
What happened, baby?
Start run already.
And show us how you dig your yam hill. That's what you need to do.
It's a good thing, it's not a bad soil.
So you still can go it can go a little deeper on its own.
Sky, what's wrong with you?
I had called her when I was coming, asked her if she wanted to come.
Come.
What happened? Huh?
No,
Ticks?
Ticks is not there.
No,
Just
Ticks
walk
not here.
around there, sir.
Walk around
Walk
here,
up
baby.
the top. Look at me. Come, sir.
Yes, straight down. No Ticks is there, Sky. This is not the other land. While I wait on Sky to come. Ooh. See the lizards, people? And this papaya is doing its thing. Yeah. Here's Mr. Simeon, always trying to follow us. Papa G continues to do what he's doing, which is plant his yam heads. So Grandpa is gonna do this one now. What is he gonna do?
Need grass. Go yummy, lovely.
Papa G is a perfectionist to the people. So he's gonna make a hole for the yam. He's gonna do it again. Make the hole. Put the yam in. Boy, if you don't get how to do yam from this one. So we need to do a yam hill for them, Papa G. We need to dig a yam hill for them.
We go for the fork, we can do it.
Okay. I'm going to go for it. So you're getting it, people. From start to finish. So I don't know how to do anything as it relates to farming. This is where Daddy keeps his stuff, and Daddy sent me for the fork, and I went for the fork. When I reached, he said, I need the hoe too. So I came back for the hoe. See, the hoe finally reached. Little time I leave here, you weed out your already. You know how long that would have took me?
Because you know that chop it like on a now and chop it. Then I bush this bush did it.
So Papa G is gonna show us. So Papa G is gonna show us how to dig a yam hill. What? That's what you're doing it?
Mm-hmm.
And Papa G gets up in the mornings and he doesn't know exactly what he's going to do. How you plan out today?
Not really. Me have so much work to do. Anything when me go and look and see it more needed to be done.
That's what you do.
Yeah.
Because I asked him this morning, what's he going to do? And he said, I'm watering right now. I don't know what I'm going to do. Then he said, yam. I said, yes, I have to catch this. So this is one layer of the fork. I'm going to go to a second layer.
Everybody do it different still.
But when you want the yam to be big,
Sometimes the yam go really far.
so you want to give it enough space to be able to go. Because you hinder it when you don't do that,
Yeah,
right?
it starts to lay down, bend.
And it's harder to, you break it up.
Now when
get
you
it.
dig it, you tend to juke it up.
But when it's deep down, it goes all the way down straight. Okay. Noted. This guy over there so observing.
See it here now. Go down with one, that's so.
You go down another.
I'm washing my hands.
Okay. Come.
I'm washing my hands from the jug and I put the perfect juice on that big jug.
Okay.
There's a stick here. Like, I put it there, but it's good.
Well, your way makes sense though, Papa G. To give the yam enough space. So this is one yam hill you're digging?
Whoops.
How will it work, man? And then that's why when the people them selling them yam so expensive, they can't quarrel with them. Because they do all the work. Yeah, yours goes all the way down.
And in a reach the bottom.
Oh, one more time. Show me again, Papa G. Versus the other. Yeah. That's all you require, Papa G?
Hey, nah, do that.
I experience it too when you have people work for you sometimes, even in corporate, anything. It's like maybe because it's not theirs. They sorry baby. They don't want to do it.
Alright. All you have to do is this, you know. You don't have them deep hole.
When did that you dig out?
I think we need one bigger head.
What you want now?
A bigger head.
Oh, because it's such a big hill that you dig. It's true, yours is bigger than the other one them. So Grandpa going to look a bigger head. You want to stand in the shade, baby? You want to stand right there? Just go under one of those trees over there. You're short enough to go in the shade. Yeah.
So you notice how my bag, the back of my hill to the drain is higher than his. Because I have to dig up all the dirt to come up to make up a hill.
You don't need to do that.
So when one rain come now and the water heavy, if you don't mind, it don't come up there.
Lord have mercy. So what are you going to do to prevent that? Yes, Sky, be careful. Be careful, it can drop down with you. That moringa tree can't manage you. This is how I assist. Here, Papa G. I'm saying the mulberry can't manage you. The moringa can manage you more.
She can't manage it. Yeah, but saying say when you use your finger, it
It was.
come with whole heap of finger bunny.
So you must use the machete.
Yeah. So whole time people say so. Them know.
Sky is so excited.
Yeah.
And just like that, Papa G clicked his yam hill and planted his yam.